Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Hey loves, it's your girl mua.alexandria, and I know it's been a while, but I'm so excited to be back. A lot has happened over the past year, and I can't wait to share more with you. Thank you for sticking around, and if you're new here, welcome. Honestly, I took some time off to refocus, grow, and handle some personal things, and now I'm ready to jump back in stronger than ever. Over the next few videos, I'll be updating you on what's been going on and sharing some exciting news and plans for this channel as well. My goal is to make this space inspiring, educational, and fun, a place where we can all connect and grow together, whether you're here for beauty tips, tutorials, or just good vibes. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for your patience, your love, and your support.